Hey guys, today I have ordered another interesting gadget that I really like when I was going through the products, and it is actually a smartwatch with built-in earbuds, like built-in wireless earbuds. A smartwatch with all the smart features of a smartwatch, and but also with two wireless earbuds built in. I thought it was really cool, so I ordered it. And description mentioned that it can actually do blood pressure, blood oxygen, and other activities like exercises as well. So it can do all the things that your smartwatch does, but it also gives you two earbuds that you always have with you inside your smartwatch, so you will never forget them. That you can pop out any moment and start listening the music or whatever, and they are truly wireless earbuds. So let's open it up and see if it lives up to its claim. I mean, the presentation is really good. So on top we have the smartwatch, and then we have the earbuds on the left. I actually really love the presentation. It says that on top of it, it says that it will stop charging the earbuds once it feels like the smartwatch battery is low. So it will not keep charging. It will try to preserve the battery of the smartwatch first. So let me peel off the screen. This is the smartwatch. You can see we have the places where the earbuds will go. Let me pop out the earbuds as well. Each earbud mentions whether it is for the left ear or the right ear, and they're tiny. I mean, they are not like you would say the AirPods. So this is how they will look in your ear. One will go here, the other one will go here. This is how they will look once they are inside it. So it is not once you are looking at like this, it is not really visible that these are whether these are earbuds or they are buttons for the watch itself. So that's a neat design. Let me actually see what else is inside the box. So what is this? So this is the charger. This device, it charges from, okay, so the smartwatch has these pins at the bottom of it, and this charger will connect with these pins. So it has USB type A to these pins. This is how it will charge itself. Two ear tips for the earbuds are here extra in case you lose the first ones or they get damaged. Nothing else here. What is this? Detailed user manual, and that's it. So the battery is dead. I'm trying to charge it, and one thing I noticed is this charger pins, they have a really strong magnet in it. So once you bring it close, just like that, you don't even have to worry about it. The smartwatch immediately gives you a vibration that it is charging, and I can see the display. One extra thing that I notice is that it will always plug in the right way. I mean, if you try to plug it in the wrong way, these pins, it will not plug in. The magnets repel themselves, which is really neat. Like they have actually thought about this one. So the device, this smartwatch is not that expensive. So as per its price, I think they have really given it a thought. And these earbuds have green indicators as well to reflect their battery. So it has a companion application that you can install. The QR code is also inside the smartwatch and on the user manual as well. I have installed that app. It's called LookFit, and the features that it has is it can track your calories burned, and then you have distance, the steps taken, heart rate monitoring, sport mode, sleep monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, message notice, which is like when you receive a message it will notify you, remote to take photo, which is like you can use the smartwatch to take picture on your phone. So and find smartphone, which is to find your smartphone using your smartwatch. Then there is music, you can control music with the smartwatch on your phone. And then there is sedentary alert, which means that when you're sitting for a specific period of time which you have set inside the app, it will send you an alert or a vibration that, hey, you have been sitting for a very long time, do a little walk. So these are its features. Look here, you can see that the picture clearly shows that the most of the LCD is actually display. But I have noticed while using the smartwatch that no, the display is very small and not very bright, and it is definitely not like this one. The display looks like this one, but the LCD itself is not the full display. So beware about that. So this is how its display looks, and it turns itself off very quickly. It has all the functionality that you are looking for, but display is not good. And maybe because it's very cheap watch or whatever, but the display is bad. I'm letting you know in advance. Other than that, it has all the features that you need. So the device has application which is really good. It has a heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, all those data will be here. And then we have sleep mode as well, the device, all the settings you can see and customize them from your app as well. Sync data, it tells you battery status and everything, and you can update firmware from the application as well. And these are your settings per profile. So the application itself is really good. Functionality of the watch is also really good. I mean, it has all the functions that you need. Let's test out these earbuds, which were the main thing for buying this, obviously. And let's see how. Oh, so these have magnet inside it. So I think it has magnet. Yeah. Yep. So there is a small magnet that pulls it inside it. So let me actually bring these out. And let's see how can I pair them. It is connected, and let's see, let's play some video and see how it sounds. Sound is good. Cool. I mean, sound is good. Earbuds inside this watch is really good. I mean, you will not be able to complain. So this watch costed me like 25 bucks. So and you get a full smartwatch with blood pressure and heart rate, sleep monitoring, and calories and everything. And then you got earbuds and totally wireless. So everything is in here, and as per the price, I think the earbuds are really good. The only complaint that I have is its brightness of the display is really bad. Other than that, I would say it's a really good watch, and the quality of the earbuds is really good, and having them always with you is also really good. So if you don't mind the display, which again let me show you, looks like this, then I would say go for it. I would everything else checks out and is really good. So yeah, so I will leave the link to buy this one and a few others in my video description in case anyone is interested. So share your feedback as well with me. Take care. Bye.